Okay. Alright. Assalamualaikum and very good evening. Today we are going to present about problem-based task 1. Uh, uh, we are this task was presented by Haziq Ashraf, YUSOF ALFATTAH, AHMAD YUWAJDI, and me, Muhammad Uwais bin Rizal. Alright, boleh scroll. Alright. Before we going into that, I'm gonna read the question first. About the task we're gonna do. Boleh scroll. Alright. Part A, setting up a virtual box for Windows 10. Section 1, preparing virtual machine. Start by opening VirtualBox and clicking on the new button. Select a name for the version as well as the type version state below. Windows 10 machine, Microsoft Windows, Windows 10 32-bit. And you can see the question here. You can, Acap, can you scroll down to the answer directly? Alright. For lab report, problem-based task 1. Section 1. Preparing virtual machine. Number 1, start by opening VirtualBox and clicking on the new button. Number 2, as you can see the picture. Number 2, select a name for virtual machine as well as the type and version as stated below. Its name, Windows 10 machine, as its name. Type is Microsoft Windows, and version is Windows 10 32-bit. Alright. Number 3, select the amount of RAM in megabytes to be allocated to the virtual machine. We see here is 124 megabyte, which is around 1 gigabyte of RAM. Yeah. Alright. Number 4, create a virtual hard disk and select the hard disk file type. Select create a virtual hard disk now. You can see on the stated below. And we select with the VDI, virtual box disk image, and in the picture. Alright. Number 5, select the storage on physical hard disk dynamically allocated that only use space on your physical hard disk as it fills up to maximum fixed size. I mean, you actually already put in the size of the storage, so it can only be in on that fixed size. Yeah. Alright. For number 6, I will pass it to Yusuf Al-Fatah.
Okay, from number 6, I will cover number 6 to number 10. Okay, number 6, select an amount storage on physical hard disk and up to maximum fixed size. Okay, the amount of physical hard disk is, for example, is 4 MB. You select it to maximum fixed size. And then write the name of the new virtual hard disk file or click on the folder icon to select a different folder to create the file in. Okay, first you name the virtual hard disk as Windows 10 machine folders, as you can see on the pictures. And then click create button to create the folder. Scroll. And then click on the create button to create the folder. And then number 9, select the size of the virtual hard disk in megabytes and then click create. And first you have to select the size. For example, you select it to 19.54 gigabyte, and then you tap the button create. You click the button create. And then for number 10, once complete, you should be able to see your virtual machine that you have created. As you can see on the pictures, the virtual machine has been created on the Windows. And for section 2, I will give it to Afi Wajdi.
Okay, now we are moving to section 2, preparing Windows 10 to VirtualBox. Oh. Part B, installing Windows 10. First step is we must open the VirtualBox and go to setting. Okay. Step 2 is we must click the empty disk and then choose or create a virtual optical disk. And then after that, we must click the add disk. And the step 4 is we must find your file download, which is Windows ISO. After that, after we put the file Windows ISO, we must click OK. Okay, after we okay the program, we go to the start, and then we masuk window ni panggil apa? After that we select the language. Maksudnya lepas kita masuk tu window tu, kita kena pilih bahasa yang kita nak guna. Next, we must click install to install the system. Okay, next, if we don't have the product key, we just click the I don't have a product key. Okay, after that, we must select the version of Windows 10 that you want. For us, we click Windows 10 Home. Then we next. Go. After that, now I will pass to Achap to continue the presentation.
Yeah. Okay. I will continue where Afi left off. So the step 11 is accept the license terms. As you can see, there's the Microsoft software license terms. If we want to set up Windows. Step 12, click custom, is install Windows only advanced, which means we installed only Windows operating system. Step 13, select the disk that you want to allocate. So basically, we must select the disk where we want to put the Windows system file. Step 14, we must wait for a few minutes to get to the to make sure system Windows files installed correctly. Then step 15, set up the keyboard layout, which means we can choose keyboard layout from another country. As you can see on the picture, we have United Kingdom, Canadian, Irish, and many more. Step 16. This is a non-essential part. Just skip it. As you can see, the picture, it says, do you want to add a second keyboard layout? Which means you have a two layout if you accept this. Okay. Step 17, set up the Outlook account. We must create the Outlook account to access all of this application. We must create PIN, enter, create password, and so on. Step 18, name your device or PC and create the password. So we are going to name this PC and create a password. Step 19, create security question to secure your account. Basically, we can choose security question. Step 20, we must wait for several minutes to make sure Windows set up correctly. Step 21, we finish set up Windows 10 in VirtualBox. So that's all we are going to explain about this VirtualBox, and we would like to thank you for listening. Assalamualaikum. Bye bye.